Hey, Tennessee, this is why I fight, to preserve what these men fought for. Sergeant Alvin York, he received the Medal of Honor for leading an attack on a German machine gun nest, taking out at least one machine gun and killing at least 25 enemy soldiers and capturing 132. And our seventh president, Andrew Jackson, before being elected to the presidency, he gained fame as a general in the United States Army and served in both houses of the U.S. Congress. As president, Jackson sought to advance the rights of the common man against a corrupt aristocracy and to preserve the Union. And that is exactly what my fight is for. Hi, my name's John Gentry. I speak to you now as a fellow citizen, as a man who served my republic as a United States Marine, and as a man knowledgeable of our constitutions. Everything that is wrong in this nation can be fixed. But two things have to happen from the protests that are occurring across this country. Whether if your rights are violated by a judge, police brutality, all of this can be fixed with two fundamental reforms going back to our state and federal constitutions. So the first one, we must restore the right to petition for redress of grievance by address or remonstrance. That is fundamental to our form of government, that the people have a voice to complain or have a voice in government for proper purpose. And the second part of this is we must restore legislative house oversight of our corrupt judiciary. Without these two fundamental things, we cannot have justice. We cannot restore the blessings of liberty and justice for all. When we look at the right of petition, this is how we communicate with our government. If we have no voice, we have no means to complain. When we look at these protests that are going on across the country, they're not stating exactly what they want, not the redress of the grievance that they have, and so they're not in proper form. If they gathered all of these people and co-remonstrated and signed signatures and presented that to our legislative houses, they would be properly heard, and the government would have to properly respond to those remonstrances. That right has to be restored. It is fundamental to our form of government. And the next part is we must restore legislative house oversight of our corrupt judiciary. You cannot have justice if you don't have an impartial court. And you cannot have an impartial court if judges are accountable to no one. And judges are above the law today, whether it be before our legislative houses or in our federal courts or our state courts. They can literally commit crimes perpetrated under color of law and not be held accountable. And that is occurring because the right of remonstrance has been oppressed and because the judiciary has usurped legislative power of impeachment and taken that power themselves through judicial oversight agencies, where we've just got the fox watching the hen house, and judges holding other judges above the law. So it is essential, before anything else can be fixed in this country, we must restore the right of petition by address or remonstrance, and we must restore judicial oversight. It doesn't matter what statutes are enacted, doesn't matter what protests are made. Until these two fundamental reforms occur, we will not have the republic that our founders intended. So thank you for taking time with us. My name's John Gentry. I'm a candidate for State Senate, District 18, Sumner, Truesdale, and part of Davidson County. Thank you for taking this time with me. Please share this work. God bless, God speak to us all, and in God we trust.